Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to get sand tokens in just a few simple steps using our platform. So let's roll. First, let's take a closer look at the Sandbox project. The Sandbox is a decentralized and community-driven virtual world where users can create, build, buy, and sell digital assets in the form of a game. The players' community can enjoy the benefits of DAO, metaverse, and NFTs in the Sandbox ecosystem. The Sandbox's main purpose is to make blockchain popular and widespread via an entertaining gaming process. The platform provides a unique opportunity to act as both developers and gamers at the same time. The Sandbox employs blockchain technology by introducing the Sand Utility Token, which facilitates transactions on the platform. Sounds cool, right? The Sandbox is definitely worth your attention. Ready to get some sand tokens? Start with selecting the coin that you want to exchange in the USENT section using the drop-down list. You can also use the search bar. Just start typing the name of the cryptocurrency or its ticker. Next, enter the amount you would like to exchange. Now select the Sandbox in the UGET section. You can also use the search bar. After that, you'll see the estimated amount of tokens you will receive. Please note that there is a minimum amount for every exchange. Do not send an amount less than the minimum one. Then, click on the exchange button to move into the next step. Here, you need to enter the recipient's Sandbox address. For your convenience, you can simply add here your MetaMask address or use our Simple Hold Lite wallet. Please note that only Sand ERC20 tokens are available for the withdrawal. Don't forget to double-check your address. Your Sand tokens will be sent to this address right after the exchange. Alright, now all the necessary details for the exchange are entered. Once again, make sure that all the data is correct. If everything is okay, click the Create Exchange button and you will be forwarded to the exchange page. At this stage, the status of your exchange is pending deposit. Here, you will see the address to send the indicated amount of Bitcoin to continue the exchange. You can use the QR code to speed things up. After you sent the deposit, you can see that the status of your exchange is changed to confirming. And then, after we have received the deposit to our address and the transaction has the required amount of confirmations, the status will be indicated as exchanging, which means that your exchange is in progress. While our system is sending you sand tokens, the status changes to sending, and you will only have to wait a little for the coins to reach your address. Now that's it. Your exchange is completed, and you can see the indicated status as finished successfully. In most cases, the exchange process usually takes up to 30 minutes. See how simple it is. If you enjoyed using our platform, you can recommend us to your friends. In case you have any questions left, feel free to ask us in the comments below or contact our friendly support team using email, which you can find under this video. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from SimpleSwap.